Right guys, finally I've reached Uganda and Entebbe पहुंच गया हूँ, and now I'm getting a taxi. We'll be going to the hotel in Kampala. This is my friend.
Hello, Abdul Nasir. Hello.
Abdul Nasir.
Yeah.
And Nasir.
Abdul Nasir.
Abdul Nasir, right.
Assalamu alaikum.
Oh, alright, okay. Walaikum assalam. They come to pick me up, and if anybody wants to get a taxi, you need to hire this guy and this one as well. You can. I'll share the numbers if you want. Anybody coming to Uganda? Yeah, if Uganda from anywhere, you just hook me up and I'll give you their numbers. Very nice people. Take you from the airport to your destination. The precautionary measures at the Doha airport and of course in Qatar airline as well, it was really up to the mark. And then when I arrived in Uganda, the immigration service was okay. There were friendly people at the immigration, and I got a SIM card from MTN. It's for 2K, as they say over here. It's 2,000 Ugandan shillings, and the data package, of course, is a bit expensive over here. Like you get it for 5 GB for 20,000 shillings. So that's like the maximum you can get for 1 week. They also have other companies like Laika and Airtel, I guess, but then Africell. But there are different packages. I'll let you know about them as well. Right now I just got MTN, so it has better internet and good speed over here as well. But here we are finally in our beautiful Uganda.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on